Your
This
Honor.
was sticking in your head?
So I arrived home. I walked up the stairs and walked through a plastic drape. I immediately stubbed my toe. Natural reaction, you know, you bend down to make sure that everything's okay. I stood back up, I turned my head, and I immediately bumped into something. It was just this excruciating pain in the right side of my head. Next thing that I remember, I woke up in the hospital, and that's when the doctor told me that there was a 3-inch nail that had pierced my skull.
If you're coming into a construction site, then you have to be prepared. You need a hard hat on.
Well, how would she get a hard hat?
There's a bin at the entrance of the door when you come in that has all kind of personal protective equipment in it. Look at all of the debris here. Look at all, there's hazards that you can trip. She comes on the job site with flip-flops on.
Because I find you 49% responsible for your injuries, I'm only going to award $1,020,000.